Today I am reviewing the DOEL 65-liter Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, a fully automatic cat toilet that I purchased from AliExpress. This upgraded litter box combines the litter chamber and the waste bin into one system, preventing your cat from ever getting trapped and keeping the environment clean and safe. The unit offers a large 65-liter capacity, suitable for cats between 3.5 pounds and 17 pounds. The waste bin is big enough to handle up to 1 week of use for a 12-pound cat, which is perfect for travel or busy schedules. The system uses infrared sensors, weight sensors, and smart detectors to track your cat's behavior, including visit frequency, time spent, and weight changes. All information is sent directly to the mobile application using 2.4G Wi-Fi. You can choose between automatic cleaning, timed cleaning, or manual cleaning, depending on your needs. The upgraded litter pedal and included litter mat reduce mess and prevent litter from spreading across your floor. The filter is designed for tofu litter and mixed clumping litter, as long as the particles meet the recommended size.